Welcome to EIS Music Art Studio. Hello everyone. On the last tutorial we were working on the lower body and today we will work on the upper body. First, let's continue fixing the standard shapes and proportion of this cartoon character. As we did before, we will use this armature as a guide to help us alter or modify the mesh. Press 1, come over here, and as I said, this supposed to be 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1 point, 1 point, 1 point, 1 point. Okay, and that will change every time that we move the object. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna take this, let's lift this one up over here. Yeah. Maybe down a little bit. Press G, Z. Yeah, this is fine right over here. That's fine right there. And it's a little bit too big. So let's press S. Make it smaller. Down. Yeah, this is fine right there. Okay, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna change this again. Go to object, go to apply, all transforms. See how it is? We need to find a balance. So this, we need to move it back a little bit more. So how can we do this? Okay, basically we can click on this face right here, press proportional editing, let's move it back a little bit. Yeah, like that. This is fine. Let's move this one and let's select this now, this face. Press G, make it smaller, move it forward a little. Okay, I think that's better. We will be changing this later on. Let's work on the upper torso. Let's reveal it. Alt H to see it. We will be working on this area now. So let's hide these. If we press X and then we delete faces, this is what happened. We don't want to delete the face. So window, so press X and dissolve faces. This one. See, that's what we want. And let's work on this area over here. Okay, so what we can do next is we're gonna take these faces, the front faces, this one, shift, we're gonna select just the one in the front. We're gonna move it back. Oops, let's get rid of these, move it back. Yes, we're gonna make it flat like that. That's good. Make this one flat for now. And then deselect this one and this one. Let's move this one forward a little bit. Not that much. Another part that I want you to do is we're going to select these, and these. Then we're going to move this one back. Move it back. like that. That's good. Then select, go here and move this one back as well. Select this one, this one, move that one back. There you go. There's a reason. Then we're gonna take these face. Look, let me show you. See this? We're gonna move this forward. This one here. Let's move it forward a little. That's good. And another thing. And let's fix this. Let's go here. From here to there. That's good. This line. And from here to here. In a straight line. So it's basically like this, like this, maybe like that a little, and here in a straight line. Neck, this has to come out, and this one in. Here's where the arm is coming out. Let's say right here. Right over here. So right there where the arm is coming out, we can right over here. So let's take this face, let's move it forward. This is fine. Maybe move this one too. This. You select, we select this area over here too. Move it forward. Maybe in a little. That's fine. Okay, so wire. Maybe move this one in a little. Let's take these. Move in. I think that's fine. Put this one in. No, this one in. This one in a little. Take this one out. And this one out a little. We can move this back a little bit. And this one too. So we can match this. That's fine. And we need more. Remember, we need more loops over here. We're gonna have more loops later. So this is what we want. Out, in. Let me take this, get rid of this. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna take all these, go here. Let's move it forward a little bit. Just a little bit, not so much. This is fine. Let's review what we have so far. Okay, so we have here the neck. We have another pinch right there. In, out, and in. And here is up, in. And the front is a little bit like this. We can make it flatter, a little flatter here. Practice that here. This one here. In. And out. And in. Flat right there. And then here is the arm. Let's fix this a little bit. Move it back a little. That's good. Go here.